Hey everyone, welcome back to Eassiy Official. Today we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about: recording video from your webcam on a computer. Let's get in. So why do we need to record video from a webcam on a computer? There are several reasons. Content creation. Many YouTubers, streamers, and online educators use webcams to produce high-quality videos directly from their computers. Virtual meetings. With the rise of remote work, recording meetings or presentations can help you share information with colleagues or clients who couldn't attend. Personal communication. Sometimes sending a video message is more personal and engaging than a simple text or email. What is the best webcam recording software? When it comes to recording video from your webcam, having the right software can make a big difference. One of the best options available is the Eassiy Screen Recorder Ultimate. Let's take a closer look. Eassiy Screen Recorder Ultimate is a versatile screen recording software with 10+ recording tools built in. It can record any window on the computer screen, especially the ability to lock the game window for interference-free recording. It can also record iPhone screens, Android screens, webcams, etc. You can set a recording schedule and it will start recording and stop automatically at the specified time. Recording with watermark and editing videos are its other popular features. How to use step-by-step. Download and install Eassiy Screen Recorder Ultimate from the official website. Open the software and select the webcam option. Adjust your webcam settings such as resolution and frame rate. Click Record to start recording your webcam video. Once you're done, click Stop and save your recording. Let's see why should select this application. It has a high-quality video recording and easy-to-use interface. You can select from multiple recording modes. When recording, you can use advanced editing tools like typing, marking, etc. For gamers or staff, you can preset the recording time when conducting game competitions, live broadcasts, online meetings, etc. It will automatically start recording at the set time. How to make your webcam recording better. Here are a few tips. Lighting. Good lighting is essential. Use natural light or invest in a good ring light to ensure your face is well lit. Background. Keep your background clean and uncluttered. You can use virtual backgrounds if necessary. Sound. Use an external microphone for better audio quality. Built-in webcam microphones often capture a lot of background noise. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.